Welcome to today's video. If you are a Clubhouse user and ever face technical issues, trademark concerns, or simply want to contact support, this guide will walk you through the entire process. By the end, you will know exactly how to submit a request to Clubhouse support in just a few easy steps. First, open the Clubhouse app on your device. Once you are inside, look at the top right and tap on your profile icon. Next, you will see the Settings option. Click on Settings, then scroll down until you find the section labeled Contact Us. Then you will notice different categories, such as submitting a technical issue, reporting a trademark violation, reaching the grievance officer, or connecting socially with Clubhouse. Choose the category that fits your concern. After selecting, scroll further down and click on Submit a Request. Now, select a Help category from the options provided below. Now you need to fill out the form by entering your email address, phone number, and selecting your country. Next, choose how Clubhouse can help you. Enter a clear subject and type in your message with as much detail as possible. If you want, you can also add a file, but that is optional. Finally, once everything is filled out, click on the Submit button to send your request directly to Clubhouse support. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to